Hello everyone and welcome to another episode from HISOCI training for leads generate. Today we will speak about the part 2 of the email lead generate, like how we can make it as advanced, like more details, how we send the email marketing with and like how I can send an email look like as a website. As we can see guys, we will open the compressed email to start an email. As we can see, we are making a code using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to write all this code. If I copy right now and I will go here, I go to this three dots, I can see this, the source code. I will go here and copy my code. And as you can see right now, this design I make, it's already I sent for people or for customers to try generate some leads to our WhatsApp marketing software. As we can see, it will look like this as professional emails. If I send this email right now, it will show like this. We will try, for example, and fast try. And we will write here, for example, WhatsApp marketing software deals, and I will check like for fast and I will just send. Here we can go and check how it's look like when someone received this. It's already received. As I can see, it's already like this. So here I can, for example, visit a website. It will be go directly to our website. If he press for set up an expert consultation, he will try to open a WhatsApp directly, and it will write this message directly that the user or the customer no need to write anything. It will be write automatically for him. If I go here the get a quotation, it will be get a quotation for WhatsApp marketing software. The message it's sent, it's changed. Here if I go to download PDF, as I can see directly it will be open the our marketing software PDF, that's a profile for this digital product. It will be directly show him everything here. And here if I go like one time payment order now, if I just press on this, it will be transferred to our pages for contact, like to send us a contact, to contact us by WhatsApp. And here our social media. That's how we put. If I press here also, it will be transferred for me to our website directly. As we can see, this is the other way to start making this. And this we will have an session to talk about this, like how we create this. So as we can see right now, I send this email as a professional using some basic programmer skills. This it's for like professional people that need to start making some email marketing or email campaign as a professional. As company, we don't send and text email, we send this email. But as individual or as a person, if from person to person, no need to do all of this. No, خلاص, we just make it as a text email. But as a company, it must be professional, same like this. Because when you receive an email like this, you will understand directly that is this company is professional. This, for example, same what I did. They have for here a lot of things as we can see. Here, for example, it's same. Here, it's same. See, guys, this is how I receive some email from a lot of companies. And see, for example, this email right now. It's same what I make, but it's a different design. That's how we make. If I receive email like this, I will trust the company, or I will try to check like what they will send for me. But when I receive and just text email, I will never check, because I will understand this is a freelancer. It's not an big company. It's not a huge company that sent me this offer. So I will not trust this company to make something. And right now I can see that in this email it was already delivered successfully. And now I know if this email sent successfully, so I will start follow up with him until he makes something or some action with me. So this is the first way, or first section we will speak about today. Second, we have another tools or another way to extract email from search engines. As we can see here, if I just press start search, sorry, I have some keywords. So I put like software company, business consultation, salons, I can put cars, real estate, I can put marine, I can put for example supermarket, I can put any kind of keywords here, and I will just like press start search and everything will show. Here I can put like what kind of country I'm targeting, here if it's a global, and here some options. This is for advanced making. So as we can see right now, I have all these emails with me. All these emails. I can like for example make save email as a text file, and I need only the item. That's mean it's the email. And here I will put it for example emails 3, and I will open. I have right now all these emails with me. I can start making some cells. I will copy this, for example, only this. I will go here, compress. I will put in BCC. I put all this email, and here, for example, free, no, what we called HISOCI marketing. Sorry, HISOCI WhatsApp marketing software. Society offers limited time. So I go here to the source code, and I copy my source code, I put here and save. And as we can see right now, I'm sending this email as officially campaign, not as a test. And I put the written receipt, like this if some company receive this email, I will have a receipt that they are delivered, and this is the delivery status notification, and I will just send. Usually, as an statistics like example of studying this case, I receive or I send more than like 10,000 email monthly to get from like 5 to 15 or 25 client only, and this something is very hard. Why? The email campaign, it's just to let people understand what you have. To make a lead generate from a customers, you need to make a plan. Like today I will send, or every day I will send like 1000 email, or 100 email, 1 email, 10 email, whatever. I will make a campaign, and I will put this campaign in schedule. Like today I will send this email, for example, at 10 a.m. Tomorrow I will send same numbers at 10, same email at 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. In 11 a.m. I will send another to another email, and that's how we do. In the end of the day I send, like for example, 1000 email, and every day I will continue this 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, and I start making some filtration. Like this, for example, filler. This, it's don't receive my email, this. So I will remove from the campaign and put some another email. All of these emails, they are received my email, so I will keep it. This, it's same, it's address not found, like this not exist, so خلاص I will remove this. I already receive a reply for something like this. UU game data controller, for example. This is a gaming company, so I don't need this, so maybe I will remove, maybe I will keep, it's not a problem. So if I send like every day, right now here I have in these two keywords like 1218 emails. If I send, or I try to filter in 5 days, so in 5 days I will have like from 50 to 100 email active, for example, and I will put it in my campaign schedule. We will speak about this later in the last of the training. We will share our files and how we do the campaign organized. So right now I have a lot of emails here, as we can see. If I choose any kind of email here, I can go like this. I can copy, it's same, but to make it easy I will go to this email that I already sent, and I will put in the, I will go to the three dots and I will make edit as new. So it will be already, I don't need to copy the code again, it's just one time. I put the email here, and as we can see it's finished. I send. It's something easy, it's not take a lot of time, it's very easy. This message, it's already sent, so I send a lot of message right now, and I will, this is the successful email delivery. All they received my email. If some company or some email don't receive my email, this system will tell me like this email don't receive, it's not successful delivered, it's failure. So that's how we use our advanced email marketing. It's something hard, but if we make it like every day, every day, every day, every day, you can take benefit from it. But if you make it like one day in a month, you will never take a benefit from email marketing. You must make it every day, same email every day, or every day new emails, and when it's finished try to send another message to the previous companies. You have a lot to make it. This is for example, and we receive all kind of this information, I don't care. So as we can see, that's how we use our email company strategy. And we have this to start sending some messages, to scrap some email for a company using a keywords. We have here also, we have another tools we will share as an video. We will learn teach you about how we can use these tools and how we successfully generate the leads. So that's what we have for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to make like, subscribe, and leave us a comment if you need something else. If you have an idea you wanted to let us speak about us, we will happy to share any kind of experience with you. And thank you for watching.